अक्सर मेरे स्टूडेंट्स मुझे ये पूछते हैं, सर क्या मैं रेस्ट डे पे ये प्रोटीन ले सकता हूँ या नहीं?
तो रुको जरा।
Guys, this video is brought to you by Huga Life, India's largest 100% authentic protein and supplement store. Guys, अगर आप already gym जाते हो तो you probably must have had post-workout protein shakes. Some people might be having it prior to workout. दोनों सही है. In fact, you can have your protein shakes any time of the day.
वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया.
Scientifically, protein shakes are one of the best way to improve your muscle protein synthesis. But what about off days? हम जिम से रेस्ट क्यों लेते हैं? For recovery.
अपने को क्या है? अपने को सिर्फ पानी निकालना है.
जिम में मसल ब्रेकडाउन के बाद रेस्ट इज नेसेसरी टू रिपेयर एंड रीबिल्ड the muscle cells. Some recovery happen between the gym sessions, but we need and occasionally a longer day of rest to avoid the overtraining. So, the rest days are as important as your workout.
थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लीजिए वरना रेस्ट इन पीस हो जाएंगे.
हम वो 1 या 2 दिन का रेस्ट लेते हैं to give your body what it needs to recover and ready to get back and work fully. Rest day exists to help you recover and grow. Remember, progress takes place in the recovery process, not in the gym itself. And your muscles need protein even if you're not in gym. They are actively recovering during this resting time, which can take up to 24 to 48 hours. So, your protein needs don't decrease on those rest days. Not at all. So, it makes sense to keep drinking protein shakes even on your rest days. It all depends on how you plan your diet to meet your calories and macro goals. In short, yes, you should keep your protein intakes high even on your rest days. Nutrition on your rest day should look similar to your workout day. See, consistency is only key not in the gym but also in your nutrition. Your nutrition will be depend on your fitness goal and your macro goals. If you're aiming to be lean muscle mass, you probably need lot of proteins. And meeting those targets even applies on your rest day. And even if your goal is weight loss and maintenance, you shall still need an adequate protein intake. In fact, you will find it easier to lose weight on a higher protein diet, which should remain constant also on your rest day. Your diet on rest days can resemble your active days. You need enough amount of carbohydrates to replenish your glycogen stock and high quality protein source to support muscle recovery.
अरे बड़ा कमजोर लेग पीस है.
Don't forget about fats. They keep you full in between the meals and decrease the inflammation. So, whether it's a gym day or a rest day, maintaining a high protein diet is essential for providing your body with raw materials it needs for recovery and growth. Now, let's take question of taking a protein on your rest day a step further. क्या आप प्रोटीन शेक ले सकते हो अगर आप बिल्कुल एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो? It's a myth that you must be exercising to have protein shakes. Guys, remember, protein is not linked to exercise. Protein आपके बॉडी में एक मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट है जिसकी अगर डेफिशिएंसी होने लग गई तो आप बिल्कुल प्रोटीन ले सकते हैं जैसे आप बाकी सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हो. अगर आपको कोई भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स डाइट से नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं सो इट एब्सोल्युटली मेक सेंस टू टेक इट इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्स ताकि उसकी बॉडी में कोई कमी ना हो या ना कोई डेफिशिएंसी हो. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, मैं प्रोटीन शेक्स को सप्लीमेंट नहीं मानता. इट्स जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर फूड सोर्स. मिल्क से ही बनता है. आज के फास्ट पेस्ड जमाने में अगर आपको आपके प्रोटीन मैक्रोस हिट करने हैं देन 100% you need to make protein shakes part of your diet, irrespective whether you are working out or not. That's why protein shake becomes one of the best, efficient and convenient mode for achieving your daily protein goals. Protein shakes बिना वर्कआउट के लेने में कोई डाउनसाइड है? Well, नहीं.
ये हुई ना बात.
Although body में कुछ हद तक मसल रिपेयर होते ही रहते हैं. You won't see significant muscle growth unless you are doing heavy resistance training. Muscle fiber need to be broken down in order to trigger significant growth. लेकिन ये obvious है, बिना वर्कआउट के significant muscle growth नहीं होगी. Whether you take protein shake or not, right? So I hope This doubt is clear. You can take protein shake कभी भी,
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
चाहे वर्कआउट करो या ना करो. There is no issue. It's absolutely safe. If you are looking to buy protein powders, Hugo Life has the best brands and it's all available at best deals. If you use my code SUNNY10, then you will get 10% off on your first buy at Hugo Life. Link is in description below. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for such more content. Thank you.
Download the Hugo Life app now